you all are doing well. So today I would like to discuss about the fluid mosaic model of plasma membrane. The plasma membrane, which is basically the outer covering of the cell that can protect every cells from any kind of mechanical injuries, right? So what about the fluid mosaic model? It is proposed by the two scientists Singer and Nicholson at around 1970. So, what is the structure of membrane and why it is known as the fluid mosaic arrangement, and why they give the particular name, that is fluid mosaic model, to the plasma membrane. First, let me tell you the structure of plasma membrane. So you can see this is the structure of plasma membrane. It is look like just it. So you can imagine here one thing. This is a human head and also this is a human head. This is one human, and this is the another human. And this is their body parts or their hands. This is their hands of the one human, and these towards the another hands of another human. And one human head is present this side and another human are present at inverse. Okay, and they can interact among themselves by holding their hand just like this. They can holding their hand just like this. Okay, so as like it, you can imagine the plasma membrane structure. So the human head or the head-like structure, which is basically the hydrophilic in nature. Okay, so this structure and this structure, these are the hydrophilic region of the plasma membrane. And the tail-like structure or the hand-like structure, if you can imagine the human, then this is the fatty acyl chain and this is the hydrophobic in nature. So hydrophilic, that means they have love for the water, and hydrophobic means they have fear for the water. So two are different. So in that case, you can see here, this is the head of the human and this is the tail or the hand of the human. Okay, so the head part which is hydrophilic and the tail part which is the hydrophobic in nature. So basically in this part you can see here the sandwich like structure, because this structure which I can imagine with the human, this is the lipid structure, and it is present at the two layers. This is one layer and the another layer is at its inverse. Okay, so this structure is, that is the hydrophilic and the hydrophobic, that is the head and the tail part, which is the phospholipid bilayer. So this is phospholipids. Okay, and you can see here the disc-like structure, the longitudinal structure. You can see here the long structure and also the disc-like structure. So these are all the different proteins. So inside the plasma membrane, there are different types of proteins is embedded. Outside of the phospholipid layer, the proteins are known as extrinsic proteins. So these are the extrinsic proteins. And in the middle of the lipid bilayer, that means inside the lipid bilayer, there are partially embedded and also fully embedded proteins are present. These are called intrinsic proteins. Okay. So the plasma membrane, which is made up with proteins and phospholipid bilayer. The phospholipid bilayer, which is consist of hydrophilic, that is a love for water. That particular region have the love for water. This is the part, the head region, and the middle region, which is the hydrophobic part. So the hydrophobic part is sandwiched by the hydrophilic nature or the hydrophilic part. Okay, so there are, we can see the phospholipid structure, it has some fluidity nature. It has some fluidity nature, the some liquid nature. So it can movable. It can movable from this side to this side, that is side by side, like 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 can come to the one place and 1 can come to the 4 place. So they can move side by side. Also they can move outside to inside. That means this lipid layer can transfer to that and this can transfer to the outside. Okay. So this type of movement can create the fluidity and also the elasticity in the membrane. So this is the PLP, that is the protein lipid protein structure, and also it is dynamic in nature, right? So that is why it is known as fluid. And also the fluid is squashy or the squashy fluid. That means not more like a liquid structure or more like a solid structure. It's like a jelly-like substances. And also the mosaic arrangement. Why it is so named the mosaic arrangement? Because the different types of liquids, or the not liquid, the different lipid bilayers in the lipid bilayers, or the outside and inside of the lipid bilayer, and also inside the lipid bilayer, that means the two spaces between the two lipid bilayer, also there are present of the different types of proteins. So the proteins and the phospholipid make the mosaic like arrangement. Okay. So as this is known as fluid mosaic model by Singer and Nicholson. Okay. So the plasma membrane, they are always dynamic in nature. Then they are movable due to the presence of lipid bilayer, because the lipid bilayer have the hydrophilic and hydrophobic in nature. And inside the lipid bilayer, due to its movable nature, the proteins are just embedded themselves in the lipid bilayer. Intrinsic protein, extrinsic proteins can embedded themselves in the lipid bilayer. Okay, so this is it about the fluid mosaic model of plasma membrane. So I hope you can understand the class, and obviously if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Until then, take care of yourself and also your family, and bye bye.